Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a registration form on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new site. And right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new folder. Right here, as you can see guys in the center, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, as you can see guys, you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. So once you're here in your dashboard, in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. And here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So basically, guys, this is going to be the editor for Wix. So just wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Here you're going to find add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, and so on. So right now, go to pages and menu. And then once you're here, go ahead and click on sign up and log in. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find member sign up form and member login form. Go ahead and click on the settings. And then here, you're going to find default form and custom form. Go ahead and click on custom form and then click on add to site. And just wait for it to load. As you can see, guys, right here. And once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. So basically, guys, this is how you can add a registration form on Wix.com. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.